Hong Kong's High Court on Tuesday sentenced 45 pro-democracy activists to up to 10 years in prison, following a landmark trial that hurt the city's democracy movement and drew global criticism. The charges were for holding an unofficial vote in 2020 to choose candidates for a legislative election. 47 pro-democracy activists were arrested and charged in 2021 under Beijing's national security law. Prosecutors accused the activists of conspiracy to commit subversion. One of them is former legal scholar Benny Tai. He was labeled an organizer of the arrested activist. 14 Democrats were found guilty in May, including Australian Gordon Ng and activist Owen Chow, while 2 were cleared. The other 31 pleaded guilty and have now been sentenced. In the early hours of Tuesday morning, supporters were waiting for the verdict outside the West Kowloon Magistrates Court. Police set up tight security as hundreds lined up with umbrellas in the light rain to get a seat in the main courtroom and overflow areas. The ruling, criticized for harming Hong Kong's reputation as a financial center, comes as the city hosts a business summit. But the Chinese and Hong Kong governments say the national security laws were needed after the 2019 pro-democracy protest and the activists were treated in accordance with local laws. Some Western governments have criticized the activists' treatment, with the U.S. calling it politically motivated. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's nominee for Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, has strongly criticized the trial. In an open letter, he called the convictions of the Democrats proof of the national security law's attack on Hong Kong's freedoms and independence.